This is my feta wedge salad with a lemon parm dressing you can chug. Let's go. Cut the iceberg into wedges, wash and dry it, add it onto a plate, and for the dressing we have olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, Parmigiano, garlic, maple syrup, and salt. Give it a mix, add in the yogurt, and mix again. Pour it on top of the wedges, add the tomatoes, onions, feta, extra dressing, and follow for more. If you only have 5 minutes to spare, you can prep the most delicious zucchini bread or cake. Let's go. Grate the zucchini, squeeze out the water, add it to a bowl with 1 egg, maple syrup, pure vanilla extract, oil, and milk. Give it a whisk. In a separate bowl, mix the dry ingredients and add them in. Mix until you have this beautiful, delicious batter. Pour into a lined loaf pan. Optionally, I add 2 very thin zucchini slices. Bake, enjoy, and follow for more. Making roasted garlic salsa hot out of the oven is the best way to use up your veggies. Let's go. I'm using tomatoes and peppers from the garden. You could use any and all you have on hand. Onions, salt, olive oil, give it a nice massage. I cut the top of a whole head of garlic, add a touch of oil, wrap it up, and roast everything in the oven. Once roasted, you could discard the tomato skins, squeeze out the garlic, add everything to a blender with some parsley or cilantro. Blend and follow for more. If you have 5 minutes to spare, you can make the viral low-carb tomato fly. On my first tomato, I add salt, pesto, cottage cheese, and a little hot pepper oil. Next is coppa, fior di latte, chopped nuts, and hot honey. And the last one is my baked feta eggs, or you could use a scoop of any egg salad. Enjoy and follow for more. This is the only summertime salsa recipe you need, also known as Texas caviar, and my take on it. Let's go. In a bowl, add the dressing, which is olive oil, white balsamic vinegar, lime juice, honey, or agave. Salt to taste and give it a mix. Add the mangoes, peppers, tomatoes, corn, beans, and parsley or cilantro. Give it a toss, enjoy, and follow for more. Keep watching if you want to make the best hot honey watermelon salad. Simply cube the watermelon into equal size cubes, add them to a bowl with good quality feta, lime juice, hot honey, and garnish with thyme and mint. Add some extra hot honey on top and follow for more. You need this watermelon slushie in your life, healthy and refreshing. Let's go. I froze my watermelon for 2 hours, added it to a blender with frozen mango, lime juice, and a touch of sweetener is optional. Blend it and make sure you use the tamper. If you're having a hard time blending it, add some sparkling water to thin it out. Follow for more. If you only have a peach left over, make the single-serve peach crisp. Cut the peach in half, take out the pit, and dice it. Add it to a ramekin with maple syrup. In a separate bowl, add the oats, walnuts, brown sugar, pinch of salt, cinnamon, baking powder, and milk. Give it a good mix, pour it on top, bake, enjoy, and follow for more. I bet you didn't know that you could make frozen sour grapes with hot honey in just under 5 minutes. And all you need is grapes, lime juice, citric acid to make them sour, and tahini. Freeze them up, top with hot honey, and don't forget to follow for more. I bet you've never had watermelon fries. This could be your kid's new favorite snack. Let's go. You're going to need a crinkle cutter. Cut the watermelon into thin slices and then cut it into that fry shape. Enjoy with anything you like and follow for more. This is the best way to use up your peaches and tomatoes this season. And if you're not eating peaches with burrata, you're missing out. Let's go. I arrange the peaches, tomatoes, and cherry tomatoes on a platter, rip open that burrata, drizzle of olive oil, salt, basil, and I drizzle on some fig glaze and balsamic glaze as well. Enjoy and follow for more. You are missing out if you don't make my healthiest 4-ingredient strawberry refresher, and I promise you'll never go back to Starbucks. All you need is strawberries, honey, and lemon juice. Give that a blend, serve it over ice with your favorite sparkling water, and don't forget to follow for more. This is your sign to make summer rolls with the creamiest peanut dipping sauce. Slice the cabbage, julienne the carrot, and the cucumber. Set it aside. In the meantime, poach or boil the shrimp for 3 minutes and then add it into an ice bath. Submerge the rice paper into warm water, add the veggies to the lower half, the shrimp on top, roll it over the veggies, tuck in the sides, and then roll it over the shrimp. In a separate bowl, mix the creamy peanut butter, sweet Thai chili, soy sauce, and hot water. Dip in the rolls and follow for more. If you choose not to make my garlic marinated peppers, you're seriously missing out. Let's go. I start by grilling my peppers. You could use hot or sweet, and you can do this in the oven as well. Make sure they're nice and charred. Take them off the heat and cover them for 15 minutes. Dip your fingers in a little bit of water before peeling each pepper to make life easier. Add them to a bowl with salt. Measure garlic and olive oil with your heart, dill, and white balsamic vinegar. Enjoy and follow for more. I know you have a lot of basil in the garden. Let me show you how to make this delicious garlic basil oil. Let's go. Add basil leaves to a blender with garlic, oil, and salt and blend. This is perfect topped on salads, soups, and so much more. Follow me for more. In my language, miseria means misery, but this Polish creamy cucumber salad is the opposite of that. Let's go. Start by cutting the cucumber. This should be nice and therapeutic. They should be really thin. In a separate bowl, mix the sour cream, salt, chives and dill, and a little bit of red wine vinegar. Give it all a mix and follow for more. If you're not making your own homemade healthy fruit juice, you're missing out. Let's go. To a pot of filtered water, add your favorite fruit and boil for 30 minutes. Remove the boiled fruit from the liquid, but don't discard it because we can process it and make the best puree. For the remaining liquid, you can stir in your favorite sweetener, which is totally optional. Let it chill, enjoy, and don't forget to follow for more.